Welcome to the Synchronome Depence video tutorial episode 3. In this episode we will learn how to make scenes and shows. Each show consists of a number of scenes which are placed onto the sequence timeline. For creating scenes, VPad offers a variety of options. Scenes are created via the Programmer tools. To do this, click on the Programmer Tool tab. With the left mouse click, you select the group that you wish to control. For this example, we will control the All Spar Pump group. The Programmer displays a table listing the currently selected devices. In the vertical column, each device is listed depending on the order of selection. The individual functions in the horizontal level depend on the device type displayed. An empty box indicates that this single channel is not currently available in the Programmer. You can select single or multiple cells by holding down the left mouse button. By clicking the right mouse button on selected cells, you can directly enter a DMX value. All input DMX values are now stored in the Programmer and may be saved to different scenes. To remove single values from the Programmer, select the respective cells and then press the Clear Select button. In the case of this example, only the DMX values for the pumps 101, 102 and 108 would now be saved. To save these settings as a scene, press the Create button, which is flashing red at the top of the screen. You can create group folders into which to save your scenes. Press New Group to create the folder. Within your group folder, give your new scene a name and confirm it with the OK button. The scene will now be stored into the scene library of the current project. Repeat the procedure to create more scenes. Press the Release button to empty the Programmer. You don't have to enter all of the values and effects by hand. VPad offers a variety of tools that help you to create effects. We will now create a ripple effect on our pumps. To do this, activate the On channel on the pump group. Next, click the FX Editor button to open the editor. In the display, you will now see all of the on-off channels of the devices side by side. In the bottom left-hand window of the editor, you will see a list of channels that can be controlled for the devices that have been selected. Next, we apply an effect type pattern and then edit the desired parameters using the sliders. Using the mouse, you can also select in the graph which devices will have the effect applied to them. Close the dialog and then save this effect as a normal scene in your scene library. To produce other effects, you can also use the Effects Presets feature. These are located on the Effects Presets tab. create scenes for the lighting in your system, VPad offers a colour mix tool. This controls RGB lights and also fixtures where white and amber are also used. In the lower part of the box there is a tool for gradients and rainbow effects. They can change the whole left to right full colour range by right clicking on the bar. To make these colours animated, you can change both the phase and the speed to create the effect. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching and please watch our other Synchronome Depence tutorial videos.